Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel Indian Only. Today's video is about SM KakaoTalk and Instagram always open online audition in SM Entertainment Company. In this video, I will tell you audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, and results announcement. But before that, if you are new on our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. Audition qualifications. Any boy or girl from any country of any age can apply in this audition. Audition category. Choose any one or two categories from vocal, rap, dance or acting. Audition period. It is always open. It means you can apply in this audition at any time in any month or year, and you can apply as many times as you want, but only after 31 days of your form submission date. It means if you are applying today, then please apply again after 31 days with new audition video, pictures and improvement. Required attachment files. Attach one front half upper body picture and one front full body picture. Attach one talent video approx 1 minute long. Awards and benefits. Final round winners will get chance to be a trainee in SM Entertainment Company. Audition procedure. First round will be online round, in second round there will be Zoom 1-1 round, and in third round final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch these two videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. These videos links are in description box. How to apply. Send your picture and required video with your name, date of birth, height, weight, audition category and contact information to their KakaoTalk ID SM casting room or to their Instagram account @SM audition-official. Yes, you can apply through Instagram or KakaoTalk, or if you want to apply through both methods, Instagram and KakaoTalk, then send different photos and videos in each one. I will attach their KakaoTalk ID link and audition Instagram account link in description box. Now, let's see how to send application through Instagram and KakaoTalk. First, I will show how to send application through KakaoTalk. First, make sure that you have KakaoTalk app in your device and you have created an ID. To know how to create KakaoTalk ID, please watch this video. Now, open the app, tap here, search SM, and you will see this ID. Tap on it. I have also provided this ID link in description box. Tap on this chat option. Now write your name, date of birth, height in centimeters and weight in kilograms, audition category, mobile number with country code like India's country code is 91. Write your social media ID if you have any, otherwise don't write it. And write your email ID. Now tap on this plus icon, choose album, tap all, tap here, and from here choose your front, one half and one full body picture and send it. Now just like this, attach your talent video and let it upload 100%. And it's done. You have successfully applied for this audition through KakaoTalk. All the best! Now let's see how to send application through Instagram. Open your Instagram account. Search SM Audition. Tap on this account. Tap on message. Write your same information as you have written in KakaoTalk. I will copy my info from KakaoTalk and paste it here. Now if you have already applied through KakaoTalk, then here on Instagram send different photos and videos from what you have sent in KakaoTalk. Please note that applying through both Instagram and KakaoTalk medium is not required at all. Now tap here, choose your folder, choose your pictures and send it. Just like this, attach your talent video and it's done. You have successfully applied for this audition through Instagram. All the best! Note points. There are total 4 methods to apply in SM Entertainment's Always Open audition. Apply from website, apply via email, apply from KakaoTalk or apply from Instagram. You can apply from one of these methods and I have made video on each of these methods. So if you want to know other methods to apply in this audition, then check out this playlist. Its link is in description box. Results announcement. Only past candidates will be contacted via email, phone call or direct message within 1 month after submitting their form. If you don't get any reply from them within 1 month, then it means you have not passed and you can try again with more improvement. Today's comment winner is Love Yourself. Thank you so much dear for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.